Anatomy of the Eustachian tube. Detailed anatomy of the Eustachian tube first described by Bartholomew Eustachio. Valsalva gave the name auditory tube to Eustachian tube. Auditory tube connecting the nasopharynx with the middle ear. Middle ear orifice called the tympanic orifice. Nasopharyngeal opening called the nasopharyngeal orifice. Posterolateral part of the auditory tube is bony part. Is formed by the petrous part of the temporal bone. It is 1/3 of total length of Eustachian tube. Anterolateral part, anteromedial part is fibrocartilage part. It's 2/3 of the total Eustachian tube. Cartilage of the Eustachian tube extend to the roof of the bony part. That's why total length of the cartilage is greater than the fibrocartilageous part of the Eustachian tube. Eustachian tube with the base of skull in vertical plane gives a 45-degree angle. This angle is less in child. In the cross section of the fibrocartilageous part, there is medial lamina, lateral lamina of the cartilage. Auditory tube situated between the skull base and the hard palate. There is medial suspensory ligament, lateral suspensory ligament, lateral Horstman fat spade, medial Horstman fat pad, lumen between the medial lamina and the lateral lamina. It's called Rodinger's septic canal. Lumen between the medial lamina and the membranous part of the Eustachian tube. It's called axillary gap. Muscle around the Eustachian tube is tensor veli palatini muscle. Which attached to the base of skull to the hard palate. Tensor veli palatini muscle, medial layer and lateral layer. Below the membranous part of the eustachian tube, there is levator veli palatini muscle. Between the long medial lamina of the eustachian tube and the posterior pharyngeal wall, this is posterior pharyngeal wall and lateral medial lamina, there is this muscle is salpingopharyngeus muscle. Lateral to the tensor veli palatini muscle, this is medial pterygoid muscle. Tensor veli palatini muscle, it's the dilator of the eustachian tube. Levator veli palatini muscle is compressor of eustachian tube. Tensor veli palatini muscle supplied by mandibular nerve. Levator veli palatini muscle supplied by glossopharyngeal nerve. So there is a 5 compartment in the cross section of the eustachian tube. First cartilage, second is the lumen, third Osman fat pad, fourth is a suspensory ligament, 5 is a muscle.